We are live, folks. Good evening at 7:51. And we are battling for Wayne's Mr. Stay Puft and beep 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 Twiki. There he is. That's my Twiki impression. Once in a lifetime opportunity there, folks. Get a bonus. 10 spots that I am going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in 1 through 10. You're going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 3, so we are rolling them bones. We got a 5. We are golden. Here we go. Good luck. Steve in the top spot for our first round, round 1. Brian takes round 2. Steve again on top with number 1. Michael takes round 4 with number 2, bringing us the final round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. And our winner is Michael. And at number 2, congrats, Mike. Here's verification. BX Herc is our verification code. And there's our results to go along with it. Mike's the winner. And at number 2, I am done. That's 7. 52 on a Wednesday in Pennsylvania. There it is. No, Tuesday. Sorry. Okay, here we go. One more time. Here's the verification. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.